Hi and welcome to my What's New YouTube channel. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to make you updated in the latest information around the globe.
Manila, Philippines. The Philippine Coast Guard or PCG is seemingly set to acquire one L410 maritime patrol aircraft, as indicated in a meeting between the Philippine government officials and the PCG somewhere of May. The Czech company's aircraft is the preferred choice over the German Indian Dornier, or Howdu-228 that the Indian company offered last year. To finance this, the Philippine government has already allocated 1.6 billion pesos or around $30.6 million for this acquisition. While it appears that a formal contract will be signed within the next few months, with an expected delivery date of the aircraft no later than 2024, further details regarding detection equipment and other electronics that will be installed on the aircraft have yet to be released. The L410 aircraft is a twin-turboprop, 19-seaters aircraft, with a maximum takeoff weight of about 7,000 kilograms. It's an improved version of the company's L410 transport multi-role aircraft with better engines, quieter propellers, integrated fuel tanks in the wing, as well as a modernized cockpit. Powered with two GEH-85-200 turboprops, the aircraft is capable to reach a maximum cruise speed of 417 km per hour, a 2,570 km maximum range, and a 10.5 hours maximum endurance. Following its first flight in 2015, the aircraft entered serial production in 2018, and has already been exported to Russia, Kazakhstan, and Poland.